sewing kits themselves can range for the very basic, or what I call the pocket or EDC kit, up to mid-range, or what I call the expedition kit or the long-term. I don't like to use the term bug out, but I'll say more of an inch kit. I'm not coming home. I need a lot of things to repair fabrics. You have to remember, when you start to get to mid-range and long-term, chances are something's going to wear out, something's going to get torn, and for the purpose of this kit, you're not likely to find replacements. It's not as if you're just going to, like with the EDC kit, give it a quick stitch, and then as soon as you get home, you either get another pair of whatever, pants, socks, shirt, whatever, or for the mid-range, again, chances are it's going to be tough to find replacements for whatever clothing needs mending. For the long term, it might be impossible, and you might end up having to fabricate, say, a shirt or a coat or maybe a blanket or something from just raw materials. So, like I say, I divided it into short, medium, and long-term usage.